Hello, welcome. In this video, I'll be going through the steps of how to create labels that you can use on your binders or planners, journals, and so forth. Creating those in Canva, moving them over to Cricut Design Space, and creating the design as a print and cut. All right, so we're going to start with our design in Canva. So I'm going to go up to the top to create a design. I'm going to use the logo template for that. Right, so this gives us a blank canvas. Over to the left for elements, you can search for tabs or binder tabs in order for us to find an image or graphic, I'm sorry. So under graphics, we can do see all. And then you have your different options as to how you want your tabs to look. All right, as you can see, there's several different options. So let's select this one. You can either change the color here or you can change the color in Cricut Design Space. Personally, I like the graphics and elements that are available in Canva. So I always start in Canva and then I move my designs over to Cricut. Right, so I'm going to go to top to save this. I'm going to go to share. I'm going to download. I'm going to keep it as a PNG file, but I'm going to make the background as transparent. And I'm going to download this image. I'm going to save that. And then we're going to move over to Cricut Design Space. All right. So in Cricut, we're going to start a new project. And we have our blank canvas in Cricut. I'm going to go to upload. I have a file here already that I brought over for sake of time and these purposes of the video. So I'm going to click on that file. Add to canvas at the bottom. And then here, if I need to resize, I can do that. So let's make this a little bigger. I'm going to change the color of it at the top. Make sure you're on print then cut. Select the color. On this drop down, select color. And then you can change it to the color that you would like. I do want to add some text here, so I'll select text. Select the text that I would like for this tab to say. And then we're going to resize this. And we're going to fit it on our tab. Resize the text to your liking. Just keep in mind that where we have this little two sections here, this will be where you would fold it. So make sure that your text is where you'd want it to be. And at the top, make sure that it's print and cut. Right now it's to basic cut, so we're going to go ahead and change that to print then cut. I'm going to change my color to white. And I think I want to change this as well. Make sure it's centered and where you want it to print. Okay, so now that we have our wording on the tab where we want it to be, I'm going to right click I'm going to duplicate. I'm going to make another one. I'm going to change the wording on this one. I'm going to make 2 more. Let's make this one say expenses. And it switched to basic cut, but we want to make sure that it says print and cut. And then my expenses, I'm trying to change the color of that as well. It's a little tricky. I'm just trying to click onto it. That and I have a new laptop and I'm still getting used to the mouse. And then this one, I'm gonna make this print and cut, change the color, and then I'm gonna resize, hopefully. There we go. Okay, so now once you get all of your tabs, as many as you need for your binder or your planner, whatever you're using it for, you do want to add some print lines to those. So I'm just going to click on them again, make sure they are all print and cut, since we did have some that changed over to basic cut, but right now they're all at print and cut. We're going to highlight each one individually, go up to offset, change our offset lines. You can adjust the lines whether you want it to print more of a border or less of a border. You can adjust that by sliding either left or right, apply, and here is where you'll see where it's gonna print the color of your background for your tab. Right now it's showing us that it's going to print black. If we change that to be green, it'll print the same color as our tab and you won't be able to tell that there's an offset around it once it prints out. So I'm going to do the same for the other 3. I'm going to move this one over because I can't see behind the box that pops up. So offset, the lines are fine. I'm going to do apply, and I'm going to change this color to green and follow those same steps for the next 2. So now they all have offsets, as you can see here. So I'm gonna backspace so it lines up properly. And now we're just gonna group each one of these and flatten. Group and flatten. Now they're all one, so you can move it all as one image. They won't separate with the offset. Now from here, you can go up to make. And you can print this on sticker paper. Once you print it on the sticker paper, you would just fold it at your fold line, and then you'll have tabs. So if you're interested in this or any other projects that you see on my videos, please check the description for the link to my website. And again, thank you for watching.